Hi everyone, hope everything and everyone are doing well. And vlog is about uh, so today's vlog is about how to claim a warranty from the boat uh, boat company. So suppose if you are buying a product from the Amazon or Flipkart, and if there is a defect and how to claim the warranty. So today's video is all about how to claim the warranty, and if you have got the defected product. And I have faced an incident that I have received an damaged product from the Amazon website, and you need to make sure that uh, whether the return option is there for the product. So I have purchased a product in which the Amazon does not provide the return option from the Amazon web page, and this return uh, so you can claim the return from the boat company. So this was the condition from the Amazon. So I have bought the product from the Amazon, and this was the condition made from the Amazon website, and I have received the product, a damaged product. And in this case, what did I do, and how did I get my new product back? And this is my new product, and I could not able to return it or give it away, but I can take a new product, another new product from the boat. So this what happened to me. So you need to make sure that there is an option. You need to make sure, you need to check, cross check, verify whether there is an option in Amazon website to return the product. So return replacement replacement option, for me the return and replacement both were not given from the Amazon website. And there was a condition like, if you're facing the issue from the product, and you need to directly connect to the company, and you need to claim your product. So that was the condition. And the process, as I tried to connect with the Amazon customer service, and they have also said me the same, we can't help anything from our side. And that was the thing they have said. And finally, uh, I tried with the same option which the customer support has given me, and finally I got the product after 6 to 7 days. So last month, August, I ordered the product, and I got the defected piece. And what I did was, as soon as I received it, I checked it, and I tried to return back to the Amazon app, but there was no option. And the customer support said, "Sir, you should have seen the option and the policy from our side, and we are not providing any return or refund option or replacement option from our side." So that's what they said, and they have given the option to me to connect with the boat customer service for the to claim the new product warranty. And I'll let you know how was the my claiming process. And the thing was, there is a website, and a boat website. So uh, I'll just add a snap of it beside this. And there is a website. So we need to just open the website, and it will be like a form. So there you need to update your name and date of purchase. And I'm just telling in random, but I'll add a small video here, and you can just watch it. So you need to add the name, product, and the model, and what is the issue you are facing, and when you purchased. And finally, you for this is mainly required. For this you require an invoice. So if you want to claim the product warranty from the boat, you need to provide them an invoice bill. So for this, I directly took it from Amazon. And so you guys know that we can take the invoice in an downloaded format. So I took it from there, and I have pasted it. And I have successfully submitted the application form in the boat website. And after that, I have received a message stating that your so I First time I have tried to update the bill which is given from the Amazon website, and they have rejected it. And finally, after 2 to 3 rejections, I tried to get directly from the Amazon website. I have downloaded the, so you can also download the invoice from the like a PDF format. So that will be good. uh, it will be very fast in processing. So if you are trying to update the paper copy, they'll reject, and it will get delayed a little bit further. So I have used the Amazon so PDF format and attached it. So as soon as I attached it, they have accepted the, after 2 to 3 rejections, they have accepted my this one my claim. And they said so we required, mm, we need to cross check the product, what is the exact issue. If product is really not working, we'll get you the replacement. But they are not providing the refund, so refund is not possible, only the replacement is possible. And so after the submission, they have sent me the message from in the WhatsApp and as well as in the email. But I don't know about the others, for me the process was very fast and very quick. So after receiving this message from the WhatsApp and email, and after 2 to 3 days, a courier guy, uh, means I've received a message like pickup has been arranged uh, to collect the defect product. And they have collected the defect product from me. The courier person has collected defect product from me. As soon as they collected, we will get a message from the WhatsApp and the mail. And after collection, the both team has checked what is the main issue from the product. And as soon as the product is reached to the hub, the service center, they have cross-checked it, and they have verified there is a defect, and they have issued the replacement. So after 5 to 6 days, so finally received my product. And this was the process. In case suppose if you are facing any issues with the boat and the warranty claim, and sure you can follow my steps, and that will be very simple. For my side, it was very simple and very quick, and I finally received my product. I need to unbox it. Mm, so this is all about the just a small review of experience of how did I claim my process. And apart from that, I did not face any issues. All the update was very clear. And this is all about today's video. And I just thought to make a video of how was the claim process. It was very quick, and not even a single rupee is charged from us. And it was very quick. And but there is a delay until 10 days. So I took around so last August I ordered it, so now it's almost 16 days. So it took 16 days to claim my warranty, meant to get a new product. So I've got this product, so boAt Earphones. Hope you guys felt this video more interesting, and thanks for watching.